y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. So today I'm gonna do a flexi rod set, but let me just take a moment because all last week your girl vlogged every single day, minus Monday, but every other day, and posted vlogs each and every day consistently. Okay, consistently. I'm super proud of myself. Thank you guys so much for tuning into those vlogs. Let me know if you would like to see me incorporate those on my channel a little more. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a flexi rod set. As you can see, washed a towel. I just finished rinsing out my conditioner and all that good stuff. I did an Aztec clay mask, and then I went in with a moisturizing shampoo, and then on top of that with a conditioner, and I let that conditioner sit, and I just rinsed it out so we can go ahead and start the flexi rod set. So the flexi rods I'm using are the blue ones and the red ones. I don't know if you guys can tell, but these blue ones got the hair wax on it from when I used the RS Curls Unleashed hair wax. I can't remember which color it was, but that is what's on these flexi rods. I mean, I guess I could have rinsed them, you know, and kind of washed them, but lazy girl. And I'm also going in with this mousse. It's the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse by Lotta Body, and this is the only product I'm going to use. And I decided to just go with a mousse because when I use a mousse, I find that my hair is really light and airy and just feels more fluffy, versus when I use a leave-in or like a butter and then apply my flexi rod, it feels a little bit more heavy and slightly oily. And those are all my products, and we're going to go ahead and get started with this hair. All right, so to begin, I'm gonna go ahead and just section my hair off into 4 sections. All right, so because this process is already going to take a little longer than any other style, I'm just gonna go ahead and start in the back. Y'all know I normally start in the back, but when I'm filming for you guys and trying to show y'all, I would start in the front, but I'm gonna just start in the back because it just makes me feel better, you know. Once I move to the front, I know the back is already done. I'm gonna take this small section and I'm just gonna apply some mousse on it. Get it nice and saturated. There we go. Run it through the hair. Ooh, why do I feel like I put too much? And my hair is low porosity. I hope it don't take forever to dry. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the blue ones in the back. So I'm gonna do the, I call it the wrap around method, like the twirl around. So I'm gonna wrap the end of it. Make sure that's ooh, okay. Wrap the end. Hope you can see. Make sure that's in place. Take it up a few times, and I'm gonna take the rod and wrap the rest of the hair around, so that when I unravel it, it's more of like a, not a flat curl, but it has a little bit of dimension to it, if that makes any sense. And y'all don't laugh at my little comb. The teeth are missing. My hair did it. Like, my hair was just, it was just. So to be honest, I hope that I have enough rods for my entire head, or at least I hope these blue ones stretch for all of the back sections I have. I think I have about 18 blue rods, and then I know the red one should be fine in the front, but hoping and praying it's enough. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, all of this is finished, and I have these 2 sections at the top, but I have a bit of a problem. I only have 4 more rods left.
So to be honest, I hope that I have enough rods, and I know the red one should be fine in the front.
So like, I'm really not sure what to do here. I thought about, you know, doing like 2 braids and doing like a little cornrow style, but I'm like, ew, don't want to do that. So I don't really know what to do. But what I am gonna do is put these 4 rods in here, and then I'll figure out something for the front. Or I could put it in a point, but is it like even like, anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this even, right? So that's even on both sides, and then I'm gonna put this piece in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna either put these rods in it or just twist it, and we're gonna rock with that. So let me go ahead and do that. So you guys, this makeshift style, this DIY hairstyle is complete for now, okay? I got my little twist here. Oh shoot, I was supposed to wrap around the rod, huh? Okay, hold up, let me wrap these around the rod. I'll be back hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully all of it is dry tomorrow, and I'll be back to take down, and we're gonna see what the heck I done did to my head, okay? But I'm about to go on, let this air dry a bit before going to bed. So, I decided to sit under a dryer because these things, sleeping would have been a no-go, okay? So I sat under the dryer for about an hour and 10 minutes. It is 12:10. Don't know if y'all can see that, but yes. 12:10 in the morning, and I just took one out, and it's pretty dry. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and take as many of them out as I can. Hopefully all of them are dry. But if, you know, I come across any that are not dry, I'll just keep them in. I'll go ahead and start to take them out. Not a lot were dry. Really only this top middle section. I'm about to get back under this dryer because I definitely cannot sleep with these in. So I will catch y'all next time I get on here. Good morning, y'all. So it is the next morning. Maybe it's 12:42, so it's the afternoon now. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair out of my bonnet. Y'all, my hair looks a hot mess. I am not feeling it at all. Like, what the heck is this? I just hate this because I spent all that time like putting the rods in first of all, and then waiting for it to dry, only for it to look like this. Like, what the heck? What is this? What is this? Somebody tell me, what is this? Oh my goodness. Like up here at the top, the curls are cute, but everywhere else, like from here on back, it's just really frizzy and just looks a hot mess. A hot mess. So yeah. I don't even like, what? So you guys, this is a style I came up with, kind of like a little mohawk or fro hawk type of thing. I just kind of twisted this in the back, put this up in the front, laid my edges on the side, and this was what we're rocking with, at least for today. I'll probably end up just, I don't even know, but this is a style. I know it is not the Flexi Rod set that either one of us expected, and you know, it happens. So not every time will a style come out the way that I want it to or you want it to, and so we have to improvise, but I just hate having to improvise. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me comments down below. What do you think of my attempt to fix it? But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and hit that bell to notify each and every time I post a new video. And if you have not checked those vlogs out, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, make sure you go check them out. I'll go ahead and put the playlist on the end screen here after this video, so you can just go ahead and click it and check it out. Also, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, okay? Instagram name is down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and that's all I have for you guys. So I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.